think I've just arrived in Industrial Revolution London, and I don't think I was prepared for this.
Dried out tears of sorrow.
No, 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 no. What is that sound? It's like the entire city is breathing smoke. Okay, first impression, it's loud, constantly loud. Like the world is shaking, and the air, oh god, the air tastes like metal and fire. So the plan is simple. Walk through the city, see how people actually live here, check the factories, and then head down to the Thames to see what this place looks like at night. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. The streets are packed, but not in a lively way, in a machine-like way. Everyone is moving, always moving. Horse carts, shouting, metal wheels on stone, steam bursting from pipes somewhere I can't even see. I just walked past a factory and I need a second. The noise in there is unbearable. Giant machines everywhere, moving like living metal. People working right next to them like it's normal. No one stops. No one looks around. They just work. And I think I understand now why this is called a revolution. Okay, small update. I found food. It's basically bread and something that used to be meat at some point. It's, fine. Honestly, after the smell of the streets, I'm just glad it doesn't taste like smoke. I made it to the river. The Thames isn't calm. It's alive. Boats everywhere. Fog rolling over the water, factories lining the banks. One thing I've noticed is that everything here feels permanent. Like this isn't a city that breathes, it's a city that produces. Smoke, noise, movement, work. There's no silence. Even the quiet feels industrial. As the sun goes down, the smoke turns orange. And for a moment, it almost looks beautiful. I always thought London would feel historic. But this doesn't feel like history. It feels like the beginning of something that never slowed down. It's darker now. People still moving, still working, still existing inside this constant machine. And I think I finally understand something. This city doesn't end its day. It just changes how it exists. Anyway, that's it for today. I need somewhere to sleep that doesn't smell like coal and metal, and tomorrow, I'll see what else this place has to show me.